जॉनी लिया साहब की एक गज़ल है कि वो जो था वो कभी मिला ही नहीं, सो गिरेबां कभी सिला ही नहीं, उससे दम बदम मामला है मगर दरमियाँ कोई सिलसिला ही नहीं, पे मिले ही बिछड़ गए हम तो 100 गिले हैं कोई गिला ही नहीं. There exists a love that feels older than you, deeper than you, and yet it never really yours. Not lost, not broken, but kabhi mila hi nahi. It's that silent knowing that somewhere in the fabric of your life there was a presence meant to be understood and not possessed. You don't even know their full story, yet your soul reacts to them like deja vu. जैसे रूह पहले से ही जानती हो पर जिंदगी फॉर्मली इंट्रोड्यूस करना भूल गई हो. This is not about dating, marriage, timings, or circumstances. This is about existential proximity. Two energies passing close enough to recognize each other, but not close enough to merge into a shared destiny. Philosophically, some connections are not designed to be lived, they're designed to be realized. They arrive only to expand your emotional vocabulary, to show you what depth feels like, and then quietly withdraw. That's why they never become ordinary memories. They remain abstract, almost sacred, like an unanswered question that still shapes all your answers. क्योंकि कुछ मोहब्बत हासिल करने को नहीं होती, सिर्फ समझने के लिए होती है. और समझ आने के बाद इंसान वैसे रह भी नहीं सकता जैसे पहले रहता था. Now poets like John Elias Saab often hinted at this void. A love so real in feeling yet so unreal in existence. And maybe the deepest ache of life isn't heartbreak. It's the quiet answers or the quiet awareness that one who felt like destiny was only meant to be a possibility.